Use those brake pedals out there, drivers. M2, go for it. Where are you going, X3M? You're looking out the windshield. You've got to turn your head, look out the passenger side window to see that yellow cone at the apex.
Oh, yeah.
You can't see it. Your hands are not going to get you there. I need more brake before we start turning in there, X3M.
You step on the brakes on the street.
Alright, drivers, still got a lot of cars to get through here. Start with that X3M. All cars to the pit lane. All cars to the pit
Step
lane.
on the brakes. Yes. There you go.
Pulling up on the left-hand side this time, up behind the M4 that's parked here. And put them into park and rotate to the car in front of you. Rotate to the car in front of you.